can't believe you've done this.
Well, that's it. The big wrap-up, the happy ending, the grand finale.
It's over already?
Well, Pumbaa, that's the thing about endings. They come at the end.
Oh, can we watch it again?
Pumbaa, we just saw it. Maybe tomorrow.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You didn't tell me you were watching the movie. I want to watch too.
Ma, we just finished. Show's over.
Well, you're just gonna have to rewind it.
Ma!
Uncle Max, we're gonna watch the movie.
Oh, no.
Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front.
Go orange.
Watch it. Oh. Ow. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
The Timon. I still don't do so well in crowds.
Assistant manager isn't all it's cracked up to be. Four years of film school for this?
Class teacher Bubble.
Hi! Movie's over. Go home!